Black-breasted weaver bird. It's another species of weaver bird like Baya weaver. Created a nest but couldn't find a female. So now he is creating another nest. The nest is made with grass and insulated with mud. You can see the mud still in its bill. Requesting female to check his nest, and perhaps the female is listening this time and she will come to check his nest. See the next part of this video. Waiting for the female to come. And you can see how much he is excited when the female came to inspect the nest. If she likes the nest, which is still in building process, she will do mating with him and they will reproduce the next generation. So this is breeding right. Keeps requesting the female on and on and on. Nest differs from Baya weaver. The entry tunnel is very long and the